Alright, so this is a 2000 Ford Ranger 3.0 liter. This is the firing order for the spark plugs. So it's cylinder 1, 2, and then 3. Then it goes to this side of the V6 head. 4, 5, 6. So that's the firing order for a 3.0 liter 2000 Ford Ranger V6. So it's right here. This first spark plug wire, that's 1. The second one is 2, 3, and then you go to this side. 4, 5, 6. Again, that's the firing order for the 2000 Ford Ranger 3.0 liter V6 spark plugs. Spark plug firing order. And stay tuned. Hopefully, I'll continue to watch more videos.